now. So right here, I'm gonna go to add a coupon. And then right here, I'm gonna put, I'll put Daryl is the coupon. Saves 50%. So we have different discount types. So right here, we have a percentage, or we have a fixed cart, or a fixed product discount. So a percentage discount is, for example, 50% off. Now, does this coupon allow free shipping on top of the percent? You can put yes, or you can put no. When does this coupon expire? Well, it expires on the 21st. So after the 21st, you cannot use this coupon. Usage restriction. So how much do they have to spend to actually qualify for this coupon? Well, I'm going to say, when you spend $100, then they can qualify. Or let's just say $50, they can qualify. Now, what's the maximum? Guys, never put a maximum. That's dumb. You don't want to penalize people for spending too much money, So I'm going to put no maximum. So can this be used? Check this box if this cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons. So basically, can this stack with other coupons? So check this box if the coupon cannot be used with other coupons. I'm going to put yes. I don't want people to have the ability to stack coupons. Exclude sales items. So if an item is already on sale that you put, this coupon will not work for it. So basically saying, I don't want to give like 30% off a product that's 50% off, So I want to exclude sales items. So anything on sale, this coupon does not qualify for. Next, we have products. So what product it is on sale for. Now, really quickly, guys, if this is left default, it will apply to all the products and all the categories in your store, which I recommend, but if you want to basically set this coupon specifically for a specific product only or exclude products, you can do that. So for example, right here, I'm going to say this coupon is only good for the Rasta t-shirt, but I want to exclude the Red Jack shirt. So this coupon basically will only work for the Rasta t-shirt, but it will not work for the Red Jack shirt. So that is an example of how you can do that with products. Now you can also do this with categories. So let's say, for example, all of the men's products are on sale. Let's see right here, that will not work. All the accessories are not on sale. So that's basically what that means. So men's product categories are on sale, and accessories, none of them are on sale. So this coupon will not work for any of those categories. And we have email restrictions. If you have a bunch of trolls out there, you can go ahead and put an email restriction, but generally you probably won't do that. So okay, so that's basically a quick rundown of coupons. So I have my coupon set up. Now, how many times can people use this coupon? So usage limit per coupon. So how many times can this coupon actually be used? 10 times. So do you want to limit this usage to a specific item? I'm going to say no. I'm going to say, as long as they're buying stuff, I want them to be rewarded, So how many times can a specific person use this coupon? Well, I'm going to say only one time. So that means a user can only use this coupon once. This coupon in general can only be used up to 10 times. That's basically what that means. So right here, I'm going to go back to general. Now, really quickly on the discount type, I want to talk about a fixed card discount. So right here, we have a fixed card discount of $50. So this is going to go ahead and knock off $50. And right here, we have a fixed product discount. So what that means is a specific product will be knocked off $50. And you'd have to set that with the usage restriction. You have to basically combine that to make it work. So it's up to you if you want either a fixed product discount, which is a specific product discount only, a fixed cart discount, which is a dollar amount. So remember, that means $50 out of the cart. Or you can have a percentage discount, which is saying I'm giving 50% off with this coupon. So here I'm going to click on publish. And let's go ahead and test this coupon out. Let's see if this coupon really works. So let's go shopping. Let's go ahead and go shopping right now. All right, here I'm going to go to my cart. And right here we have the product. Now right here, I'm going to select Daryl. So it's $90 right now. But remember, we added the coupon for 50% off. So right here, I'm going to go to apply coupon. And you can see right here, $45 was removed. So that means 50% was taken off, Of course, the shipping and also the tax still applies. You can always decide to take out the shipping out of the cost of that, but the tax will still apply. And then right there, they can go ahead and click on proceed to checkout and do all that good stuff. They can go ahead and buy it right here. Okay. So let's go ahead and go back. I think that was generally most of the options. I think there's one more. So WooCommerce right here. I'm gonna click on this. And we're gonna go to orders. So the last section, guys, is orders. And guys, this is basically when someone purchases something, it's going to display right here. All right, so let's go ahead and click on one of these right here. All right, so right here, let's just, just go ahead and ignore that section right there. Okay, so right here we have the billing address, we have the shipping address, we have the item that was purchased, we have the cost, and then we have all this stuff right here. This right here, the shipping and all that stuff. So right here we can do order actions. So we can send an email invoice, we can resend the new order notification, or regenerate downloads permission. So if you want to go ahead and email the invoice, you can go ahead and do that. Click on updates. Okay, and then right here we have shipping label. So right here we can click on create new label. Now we're going to talk more about this when we actually set up shipping. But once you actually set up shipping, you guys can actually go ahead and set that all up. So this is basically automated shipping. So right here you can select the letter. This is an invalid address. It's not even a real address. So it's basically telling me it's not working. So I'm going to select. Let's see if this one works right here. Let's see if we can validate this address. Okay, so right here you guys can see that we can select the suggested address. We can use that, and then from there this one is the correct one. So this is just a demo one. So also right here we have our packages and everything else. Now we'll set all this up a little bit later, but this right here is just basically for automated stuff. So we'll talk more about this when we talk about shipping rates. But that's where you print out your shipping label if you decide to have automated shipping. So it's not required, but it is recommended. And here you're given different notes about everything else, etc. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on update now. So that's basically, guys, a quick rundown of orders and everything else. So in the next section, we're actually gonna go ahead and talk about the taxes.